OMG. Are we going to be doing an MV reaction to a Japanese release? Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever done this. At least not for Stray Kids. I don't know what's wrong with me, bruh. I don't know what's wrong with me. But we get into some Stray Kids, the sound, checking it out after I tell you about the here Patreon. We got dance practice reactions, performance reactions, cover reactions, all on a daily basis. If extra content is something that interests you, make sure you click the link in the description box, and I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, let's get into this MV, shall we? Because I love the sound of Stray Kids. Oh no. Not the shirt or jacket. Oh, that's fun.
The crowd's gonna follow us to get pitch하게 but to kill bang bang gotta shut it out now. Oh nothing better. Yeah nothing better. 야미 못해라 시다스 하지 말이 no spotlight. This is the sound, it's the sound. 모래오 힘이 간센히 아와세 태우고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개로 오쿠라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up.
With the little lean, that's cool. Cool little transition moment. Alright, drive in. And plus, does Bangchan really know how to play the drums?
Rhapsody, takanaru this melody. I get take a volume up, max it up. 스베테가 히토츠니 나때 히로가룬다. Take it to this time, I got take it to our sound. Get down to destination, this is our music life.
All the woes and stuff in the background, along with the little strings for that bridge was really cool. The choreo for this is also pretty darn sick. Cool. Well, now I'm looking. I gotta look forward to the album when the album comes out. You know, I'm curious. What do you guys think? What did you think of this MV? Was it amazing to you? All the lovely VFX throughout, and all the lovely choreo and the fits, the transitions and such. What did you like? Put your thoughts in the comments. I'll be looking forward to reading those. Also, if you enjoyed watching with me, you can hit that like button. You can subscribe for more reactions and reviews. And lastly, Patreon link in the description box if you wish to support further. But until next time, much love, peace, threes.